So today we'll understand how to use the stat function in this calculator. We'll take the help of an example. तो ये रहा हमारा x and y का values. We can see we have the number of observations as 5. So we'll fill in these data. उसके लिए we have to press second and then the number 7 because as we can see 7 के ऊपर data लिखा हुआ है. Now the first value of x is 1. So don't forget, in order to store the value you have to press enter. अगर खाली 1 दबा देंगे तो store नहीं होगा value. Enter. Then we use the downward arrow to fill the first y value which is 10. 10 enter. ऐसे करके सारे values put कर देंगे. 2 enter. 8 enter. 3 enter. 6 enter. 4 enter. 5 enter, and the last value 2 enter. Now we'll see the linear functions associated with x and y. So second and then 8 के ऊपर we can see stat लिखा हुआ है जहाँ पे we'll get all the statistical functions. LIN stands for linear. तो नीचे देखिए n stands for number of observations which is 5 in our case. Then this is x bar or the mean of the x values. This is the sample standard deviation of x values and this is the population standard deviation. This is again the average of the y values, the sample SD and the population SD. Now this is basically the variable of the linear equation between x and y. As you can see, y is equal to a plus bx is any linear equation between x and y. And in our example, a is 12 and b is minus 2. So we get the equation as y is equal to 12 plus minus 2. R stands for correlation which is minus 1 in our case. अब x dash में कोई भी value put करने से we can get the value of y through this equation. So let's take any number. For example, let's take 5. Enter. नीचे गए. अब compute y. So we get 2. So we had taken 5. So 5 2s are 10, 12 minus 10, 2. This is the summation of all the x values, summation of all the squared x values, again summation of y and y square, and this is the summation of x into y, 10 plus 16 and so on.